God, why have you abandoned me? My God, why have you abandoned me? All who see me scoff at me. They mock me with parted lips, they wag their heads. They relied on the Lord, let Him deliver him, let Him rescue him, if He loves him. My God, why have you abandoned me? Indeed, many dogs surround me, a pack of evildoers closes upon me. They have pierced my hands and my feet. I can count all my bones. My God, why have you abandoned me? They divide my garments among them, and for my vesture